Hi, I'm the developer of Feederator and I'm going to show you in this tutorial what you can do with it. First of all, you need an account. This can be either from AOL, Yahoo, Google, or an OpenID. If you don't have one of those yet, go to their website and open an account. I'm going ahead with my Google account, so I click here on this Google icon. And I'm going to be forwarded to the login page. I enter my credentials and so then I'm going to sign in. When you first sign in, there will be another page in between that asks you if you want to grant access for Feederator to your account. This doesn't mean that Feederator can access any of your private data. It just means that you can use your account with Feederator, that's all. So this is what you see when you first enter. It's a short explanation in 3 steps how you can continue. Since this is already the tutorial, I'm going ahead by creating a new subscription, a new feed. If you have any feed at hand that you want to use in Feederator, just go ahead, enter here in the form. There are also a few templates that you can use. For this tutorial, I'm going to use Lifehacker and later another one. So once you select this, it will already fill into the form all the things that you need to enter. I'm quickly going to explain what the impact is of the different attributes. So this is the name. This is important because it will be part of the URL of the outgoing feed that you will create with Feederator. So this will be kind of a public thing. It's quite important. Description is just for your own sake. It will also be visible in the XML of the outgoing feed, but that's not so important. Then is this a private feed? Means this is going to show up in these special feeds, in this latest entries. If it's private, you won't see it here. So, and it also will not be in a public archive after some time. Notify XMPP means that you can send notifications to your XMPP account once a new item arrives. This can be quite convenient if you want to use your Jabber or Gtalk account like a newsreader. So every new item will be sent to this messaging client. Then, most important, the URL of the source of the either RSS or Atom source. This is really important, and this for now we're gonna leave empty, the regular expression. And this checkbox is also quite important. It means that if it's checked, it means that all items that are in this feed will automatically be visible on the outgoing feed. For the sake of this demonstration, I'm not gonna enable this. And once you have everything set, you click Save. This might take a while because now first it validates the feed, it stores it to the database, and once it's done, it will start importing the items. This can take a while, and it's only the first time. Later you won't realize it, but the first time there are a lot of items to import. And this takes a while because it does a lot of stuff with your feed. It doesn't just read the feed as it comes. It, for instance, for news websites, it goes to the website, grabs the whole text, and adds it to your feed. So I'm going to stop here. If you don't want to wait all the time, you can just click cancel, and you see there are already some items here. For most items you get a nice fancy picture. If you want to go to read the post, you can click on the title, and then you can start reading. You can also browse through the feed by clicking next, then always the next older item will be displayed. If you want to go to the website where the post comes from, you just click here, then it opens in a new browser tab or browser window, and you can continue reading there. Let's go back. So that's how your feed looks right now. And you see there are no items in your outgoing feed. The URL of your feed is made out of feed, and then it is your username and then the name of the feed. So now let's publish an item, and I do this by clicking this little button here. After a second it should turn orange. Sometimes this takes longer, sometimes it's quite fast. Let's do it with another one. So now it turned on. Now we have two items that are published. If I go back and refresh, then you see, whoa, now we have quite a lot of content in this feed, and this means these items that I just published became visible on the outgoing feed. You could, for instance, copy this and add it to Google Reader or whatever you later want to do with this feed. Okay, that's about it for now, and I'm gonna show you more in another clip. Thanks.